You collect vintage computers. But tracking them? That's something we all struggle with. Spreadsheets work until they don't. Meet InventoryDifferent, your solution for curating your collection. A system tailored to vintage Apple devices and the collectors that love them. Your entire collection, one view. Search it, sort it, switch to a table. Every machine, at a glance. Images, specs, notes, maintenance history. The full story of every device, right where you need it. The full app on iPhone. Browse your collection. Tap into any device. Swipe through the details. Point your camera at any barcode. It finds the device instantly. Just ask. Type a question in plain English. The AI knows your collection and answers. Completely optional, of course. There's also an MCP server to use with your own agent. Track what you spent, what you've sold, what you're sitting on. The numbers tell the whole story. Ready to sell? There's a built-in public storefront, a clean listing for every machine. The showcase. We all have our cherished devices. Show them off and tell the story behind the machines. Curate journeys. Tell the history. Tell your story. Share what makes each one matter to you and the world. Open source, self-hosted, no subscription, no lock-in. Just your collection on your terms.